Today I'd like to bring you update number 1 for the herbs that I have grown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. Oh yeah, it's the herbs that I have grown for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. It's update number 1, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it. First up, y'all, we had the oregano. Did we get germination? I see green, fam. Oh yeah, I see green, y'all. So we definitely have germination on the oregano. Check it out. Next up, y'all, we have the basil. Did we get germination on the basil? Oh yeah, we definitely have germination, y'all. Check it out. Next up, y'all, we had that anti-anxiety herb, lavender. Did we get germination? We have a little green, y'all. Check it out. Oh yeah, we definitely got a little germination, no doubt. Moving right along, fam. Next up, we have marjoram. That blood pressure regulator. Did we get germination? Yeah, I definitely see green. I definitely see green, fam. So we have germination on the marjoram. Moving right along, y'all. Next up, we have cilantro. That stomach settler, y'all. Did we get germination? Yes, we definitely have germination on the cilantro, y'all. Check it out. Moving right along. Next, we have sage. That blood sugar regulator, y'all. But did we get germination? I see a little green. Oh yeah, I see a little green, fam. Check it out. Moving right along. Next up, we have, that digestive aid, fennel. And we definitely have germination, y'all. That fennel is showing out. Check it out, fam. Yeah. Moving right along, we have spearmint. Did we get germination on the spearmint? Looks like a swing and a miss, y'all. No germination on the spearmint as of yet. Moving right along, we have the chives. So did we get germination on the chives? I think it's a swing and a miss, y'all. But that's all right. We're going to keep it moving. Next up, fam, we have the parsley. And we definitely have germination. Check it out. So just to recap, we have germination on the parsley. It's a swing and a miss on the chives and the spearmint, y'all. Of course, we have germination on the fennel. We have germination on the sage and the cilantro. We have germination on the marjoram and the lavender. We also have germination on the basil, y'all. And on the oregano. So that's update number 1 for the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge 2024. Family, I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.